Alright, what is the name of this game?
We're gonna call this Fart Soundboard Innuendo Bingo Spitting Game.
Thing. My heart is beating
Shelby's
really
so
fast.
nervous right now.
And marker. Hi!
We're back for another video, and this week we're playing another game.
I'm terrified.
Shelby's scared. We're playing Innuendo Bingo with our own little twist on it. We're gonna use a fart soundboard because we're mature adults.
We're gonna drink water, have water in our mouths, face each other, and we're gonna be...
Basically, we're gonna spit water on each other.
Yeah.
We have a special guest that's gonna help us this week. We're bringing back our friend Amy. And
She's gonna read the names of the fart noise, and then she's gonna play the fart noise, and if you don't laugh, you get a point.
Let's get it right now,
Right.
guys. Let's go.
Let's get our hair ready.
Like,
What the heck? That's not where it's what to take it from me.
Shelby's about to get to it. Okay, here we go.
Okay.
Okay, so we're going to do macaroni and squeeze. Mind. This next one is called champagne cork. Okay. Oh my gosh! Contain yourself. I don't know. The next one is called Would You Like Ketchup? This next one is called Prelude to a Crack. Okay, this next one is called Forest Dump. Okay, this next one is called Anus Madness. This next one is called Bowels of the Titanic. Are you okay?
Just
This one is called Feces Pieces. Nice. Okay. Okay, don't spit it out. This next one is called Donut Cream Filler. Okay. Spitting on each other's crotches. This next one is called Mr. Bubbles. This one is called Kazoo. This next one is called Uh-oh. Okay. This next one is called Fart of the Bumblebee. This one is called What Are You Saying? on the can.
Good help.
Quick fire round.
Alright guys, so we just finished our game and we're currently standing in our shower in our dorm room right now. And we're gonna carry out our
Loser, winner,
Yeah.
punishment. We decided we had this bucket in between us that we were dumping,
on the ground.
that we were spitting
into.
water into. It's so disgusting.
And the winner gets to dump that bucket onto the loser.
Yeah.
Can I have like a drum roll or something? The winner is Shelby!
Alright, ready?
Oh my god.
And this is both in our mouths.
Shut up.
Oh, oh my Stop! Okay, that was another weekly video from Shelby and Tori. We hope you enjoyed because we are soaking wet now.
I'm more wet than you are. Make sure you give it a thumbs up.
Hit the subscribe button. We need subscribers.
Yes.
Because we want to know people are watching.
Yes, because if you have a YouTube channel and you can, you know, do all the
Do
stuff.
all the things.
Do all of the things. Yep. Alright, so we'll see you guys next week.
Bye!
And now it's my show.